A rustic tart is a great way to enjoy the season's best fruit, and we love to make ours almost sugar-free. First, to a food processor, add spelt flour, baking powder, sea salt, and monk fruit sweetener, and give it a blend. Next, spoon 7 tablespoons of coconut oil into a silicone ice cube tray and freeze them for 15 minutes to harden. Pop 6 of the cubes out of their molds and chop coarsely. Add the frozen coconut oil to the flour mix and blend until the oil is broken down to the size of rice. Sprinkle in a little ice water and pulse it into the mixture. The dough here should resemble crumbly, wet sand that sticks together when pressed. On a floured surface, knead the dough into a ball. Then shape into a flat disc. Roll out the disc into a rough circle, about 14 inches in diameter, and repair any cracks that appear. Once the dough is ready, gently fold it in half and carefully transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment, where it can be unfolded again. To make the filling, slice some fresh, firm peaches into half-inch wedges and add them to a mixing bowl, along with a little more monk fruit, a spoonful of spelt flour, some fresh lemon juice, and vanilla extract. And toss everything together to combine. Add some fresh raspberries and gently fold them in as well. Now we can add the filling to the crust, leaving a 2-inch edge from the sides. And arrange the fruit so it's circular and evenly distributed. We'll chop the last frozen cube of coconut oil and sprinkle it over the fruit. To form the tart, fold the dough edges around the fruit. Go section by section, creating pleats and pressing them into place. Finish off the tart by brushing almond milk on the crust edges and sprinkle lightly with turbinado or coarse sugar. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and let cool completely before serving. Cut into slices and enjoy. Get the full recipe as well as even more healthy details at luminberry.com.